Good morning viewers. In this video I will tell you about circles and its parts. What is a circle? A circle is a locus of moving point P in a plane which is always equidistant from some fixed point. For example, I have a fixed point O here. This is O, fixed point. So from this point all the distance of all the points of a circle will be equal. So if I take a fixed P, it make a locus or a path like this in a circular way. This becomes a circle. This distance from any point of the circle to its center is known as its radius or radial segment. What is this called? Radial segment. This is a distance of any point of circle from its circumference to its center. Radial segment of a circle is a line segment determined by the center and a point on the circle. So if we double the radial segment, a line which passes through the center of circle and meets its two of its points like this is known as diameter. What is this called? Diameter of the circle. Diameter is actually double of radius also. If B is the diameter, then this will be equal to 2 times radius. 2 multiplied by radius. If we join two radiuses like this, one radius is this, one radius is this, radius plus radius, this is 2 times radius, this is radius, this is radius. So both will become diameter like this. This is called diameter. Now come towards an arc. What is an arc? An arc of a circle is any portion of its circumference. First of all, we will see what is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. If we calculate the boundary of the circle, this the parameter of the circle, the boundary of the circle is known as its parameter, its circumference. So, and the circumference, the formula for circumference is 2 pi r, where r is the radius and pi we already know about that, 22 by 7. So now what is an arc? Arc of a circle is any portion of the circumference or its boundary. Like if I take this portion, this one portion like this portion, if I take this portion is, for example, let me give some name A, B, C. Now ABC is an arc here. A, B, C. This is an arc. This is any portion of its circumference. Now if I join the line between this arc or any line, we join two parts of the circle like this. Within the circle, this is known as chord. What is this called? Chord. So what is the difference between chord and arc? Arc is this circular portion of the arc of the circle, and chord is this distance between these 2 points, any 2 points of the circle which do not pass from the center. If it passes from the center, then it will be a diameter. Now come towards segment. What is the segment of a circle? If I take any arc of the circle like this is center, for example this is center. If we take an arc and a chord, and the portion between arc and this chord is known as segment. Taking this arc, this is an arc and this is chord. Now the portion between them, like this portion is known as segment, and this portion is also known as segment. This is the smaller one portion. So this is minor segment. And this is the bigger one portion. So this is called major segment. Whenever we will cut a circle to make its segments, we will get two segments. One will be minor segment and one will be obviously major segment. And if we will cut from the center, if we cut the sector from the center, this line is called diameter, and this one portion is actually not segment, this is a semicircle. This becomes semicircle because this is the half circle. This is also semicircle and this is also semicircle. Now we will see what is the sector. Sector, the portion between two radii and an arc is known as sector. For example, this is my center of the circle. This is one radius, this is one radius. There are two radii and this is an arc, corresponding arc with it. Suppose this is OAB. This portion between the two radii and one arc is known as sector. In the same way, the smaller portion will known as minor sector and the bigger portion will known as major sector. Now we have two sector portions also. One is minor sector and one is also major sector. These are the parts which I hope you learn about it. Radius, diameter, circumference, arc, chord, the portion between them, segment and sector. This is all about circles. So in my next video we will learn more about circles and its specifications and different theorems on it. So thank you. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel then. Thank you. Have a nice day.